U.S. websites by category with career ideas. Chapter 1. Useful USA websites that have ideas for a career. USA Arts and Architecture websites. aliyoucanwatch.com, poetryfoundation.org, creativeblog.com, archdaily.com, citylab.com, design.com, architecturaldigest.com, fastcodesign.com, mymodernmet.com, designbump.com, inhabitat.com, thisiscolossal.com, hyperallergic.com, dwell.com, twistedzipter.com, daysdigital.com, designboom.com, newyorkbooks.com, itsnicethat.com, design-milk.com, artistsnetwork.com, collectorsweekly.com, designtaxi.com, theultralinks.com, artnews.com, designioutrust.com, USA Business News websites, forbes.com, businessinsider.com, cnbc.com, wsj.com, bloomberg.com, bloomberg.com/businessweek, wired.com, marketwatch.com, seekingalpha.com, ibtimes.com, fortune.com, zerohedge.com, bizjournals.com, inc.com, entrepreneur.com, fastcompany.com, economist.com, adweek.com, foxbusiness.com, hbr.org, money.cnn.com, ft.com, investors.com, adage.com, barons.com, success.com, USA Entertainment News websites, dipley.com, buzzfeed.com, people.com, tmz.com, avclub.com, lifebuzz.com, ew.com, variety.com, newyorker.com, popsugar.com, hollywoodreporter.com, boardpanda.com, newyorkmag.com, pitchfork.com, crack.com, vultour.com, rollingstone.com, billboard.com, vanityfair.com, tvguide.com, eonline.com, pages9.com, usmagazine.com, theonion.com, USA Food and Cooking websites, allrecipes.com, foodnetwork.com, geniuskitchen.com, seriouseats.com, thekitchen.com, delish.com, tasteofhome.com, epicurious.com, bonappetit.com, myrecipes.com, chowhound.com, food52.com, foodandwine.com, yumly.com, adapinch.com, eatingwell.com, damndelicious.net, skinnytaste.com, simplyrecipes.com, cookinglight.com, cooksillustrated.com, thedailymeal.com, bbcgoodfood.com, sava.com, USA Health and Fitness websites, nih.gov, webmd.com, healthline.com, livestrong.com, mayoclinic.org, psychologytoday.com, medscape.com, menshealth.com, everydayhealth.com, mercola.com, mensfitness.com, verywell.com, greatest.com, shape.com, prevention.com, self.com, health.com, womenshealthmag.com, runnersworld.com, mindbodygreen.com, wellandgood.com, muscleandfitness.com, fitnessmagazine.com, doctoroz.com, USA home and decor websites. thespruce.com, house.com, hgtv.com, diynetwork.com, curb.com, apartmenttherapy.com, goodhousekeeping.com, bhg.com, realsimple.com, countryliving.com, hometalk.com, southernliving.com, lonnie.com, housebeautiful.com, bobvila.com, ldser.com, gardeningknowhow.com, mydomain.com, domino.com, finehomebuilding.com, homedit.com, coastalliving.com, dacoist.com, USA men's websites, ladbible.com, theseahive.com, gq.com, esquire.com, complex.com, artofmanliness.com, askmen.com, berobbable.com, fashionbeans.com, maxim.com, highconsumption.com, mensjournal.com, primermagazine.com, USA News websites, CNN.com, NewYorkTimes.com, WashingtonPost.com, FoxNews.com, HuffingtonPost.com, BBC.com, Vice.com, DailyMail.co.uk, TheGuardian.com, USAToday.com, NPR.org, TheHill.com, NYPost.com, DailyCaller.com, WSJ.com, CBSNews.com, USNews.com, NBCNews.com, Politico.com, TheAtlantic.com, Time.com, Newsweek.com, ABCNews.go.com, Reuters.com, Slate.com, TheDailyBeast.com, Telegraph.co.uk, Vox.com, Independent.co.uk, Express.co.uk, TheSun.co.uk, LATimes.com, MSNBC.com, QZ.com, NYDailyNews.com, SFGate.com, Salon.com, Mirror.co.uk, APnews.com, USA political news websites, Breitbart.com, ConservativeTribune.com, WesternJournal.com, DailyKost.com, BizPAkerview.com, Infowars.com, IlClearPolitics.com, NationalReview.com, TheGatewayPundit.com, ThinkProgress.org, TalkingPointsMemo.com, TownHall.com, MotherJones.com, PoliticUsusa.com, PolitiFact.com, HotAir.com, TheNation.com, CrooksandLiars.com, Reason.com, TheFederalist.com, USA Science News websites, ThoughtCo.com, NationalGeographic.com, LiveScience.com, Nature.com, Space.com, IFLScience.com, ScientificAmerican.com, SmithsonianMag.com, ScienceMag.org, PopSci.com, PsychCentral.com, ScienceDaily.com, Physics.org, NAM.org, PNAS.org, MNN.com, JAMANetwork.com, Cell.com, TreeHugger.com, BMJ.com, NewScientist.com, DiscoverMagazine.com, USA Sport News websites, ESPN.com, NFL.com, BleacherReport.com, CBSSports.com, NBA.com, Deadspin.com, 247sports.com, NBCSports.com, BarstoolSports.com, si.com, dailysnark.com, nhl.com, sbnation.com, theringer.com, mlb.com, rotoworld.com, rivals.com, thewildcard.com, nesn.com, foxsports.com, maxpreps.com, wwe.com, footyhead.com, scout.com, USA Technology News websites, cnet.com, gizmodo.com, theverge.com, tomshardware.com, engadget.com, techcrunch.com, arstechnica.com, pcmag.com, digitaltrends.com, techradar.com, thewwirecutter.com, pcworld.com, makeuseof.com, bgr.com, techtimes.com, 9to5mac.com, inverse.com, popularmechanics.com, zdnet.com, onuntech.com, techrepublic.com, venturebeat.com, macworld.com, recoda.net, thenextweb.com, technologyreview.com, techspot.com, bleepingcomputer.com, newatlas.com, theregister.co.uk, futurism.com, USA travel websites, thepointsky.com, timeout.com, atlasobscura.com, tripsavvy.com, lonelyplanet.com, travelandleisure.com, travelchannel.com, boardingarea.com, outsideonline.com, cntraveler.com, fodors.com, smartertravel.com, ricksteves.com, fromers.com, outdoorlife.com, backpacker.com, sunset.com, midwestliving.com, afar.com, roughguides.com, skift.com, islands.com, USA women's websites, worldlifestyle.com, bustle.com, jezebel.com, refinery29.com, cosmopolitan.com, marthastewart.com, sheknows.com, vogue.com, rd.com, allure.com, l.com, glamour.com, liou.com, harpersbazaar.com, hellogiggles.com, instyle.com, marieclaire.com, stylecaster.com, purewow.com, whowhatwear.com, rack.com, womansday.com, redbookmag.com, more.com, wmagazine.com, manrepeller.com,